Color isn't just decoration, it's a language. In this video, we'll explore the color wheel, what it is, how it works, and how you can use it to design with intention. Let's dive into color theory. The color wheel is a circular diagram of hues that shows the relationships between colors. It helps artists, designers, and creators visualize how colors mix, contrast, and harmonize. Primary colors, colors that cannot be made by mixing others. In traditional RYB model, red, yellow, blue. Secondary colors are created by mixing two primaries, green, orange, violet. Tertiary colors are formed by mixing a primary with a neighboring secondary. Colors can feel warm or cool. Warm colors, reds, oranges, yellows, evoke energy and vibrancy. Cool colors, blues, greens, violets, feel calm, soothing, and professional. Knowing this helps you set mood with color. Color harmonies are combinations that feel visually pleasing. Let's explore the most common ones. Complementary, colors opposite each other on the wheel. Analogous, colors next to each other. Triadic, 3 evenly spaced colors. Tetradic, 4 evenly spaced or 2 complementary pairs. Monochromatic, shades of a single hue. Let's see color theory in action. In branding, businesses pick color schemes to evoke trust, energy, or calm. In web design, UI color palettes create hierarchy and readability. In interior design, walls, furniture, and accents combine via harmony rules to create balanced spaces. Colors don't just look pretty, they mean things. For example, red, passion, urgency, calm, trust, green, growth, nature. When you choose your palette with intention, you're designing emotion. You now know the relationships between hues, how to build palettes and apply color intentionally. Hit subscribe, like the video and ring the bell.